The fastest way to get flexible is by slowly building up the intensity of the stretch. This is what I call progressive overstretching. Progressive overstretching is actually pretty similar to progressive overloading in bodybuilding or weightlifting. And this term means that you will be adding a little bit of weight or a little bit of intensity to the exercise that you are doing. So for example, on week 1 you are performing a lift of 30 kilograms and the next week you will try and do a lift of 31 kilograms. And these are just very small steps to be able to lift a lot more on the long term. And the same is important when you're doing stretching. Let's say that this is the position that I can manage. I'm a complete beginner and I cannot go any further because then I would get injured or I would get severe pain. However, I do feel this discomfort in my leg or my hip flexor, and this is actually pretty good, because what will happen if you hold this position for a little bit longer, eventually the discomfort will go away, and that means that you can increase the intensity of the stretch again. So I can lean forward just a little bit more and then I can feel the discomfort in my hip flexor once again. And this is how you will slowly build up the intensity that you use for your stretches, and that way you will get more and more flexible over time. You cannot simply jump down in a split, but well, some people can. But most of us have to practice a lot and build up the intensity that you use during a workout for a couple of weeks, months or even years in order to achieve a great level of flexibility, or for that matter a great level of strength. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure that you check out the playlist of flexibility videos so you will learn everything about flexibility. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.